to the westernmost province of Canada, the only province that borders the Pacific Ocean. British Columbia is Canada's third largest province by population, with 5.2 million people. It's known worldwide for its ecotourism, and there's no doubt why. The province has a very diverse geography. While the Rocky and Coast Mountains cover 75% of the province, temperate rainforests, sandy beaches, and rocky coastlines make up the rest.
And I'll be looking for the wildlife. British Columbia is home to so many unique animals, including whales and black bears. Over the next 3 weeks, we plan on discovering all its beauty and hidden gems. Let's go! We enter British Columbia on the Trans-Canada Highway, and immediately we're at Emerald Lake, located in Yoho National Park. It is easily one of the most beautiful lakes in the Canadian Rockies. Just check this out. As we're making our way across BC, we're making tons of detours. The journey here is just as good as the destination. Our next stop is Kamloops. Kamloops is a fine city, and we enjoyed walking the downtown area. But we came during a Kamloops Blazers game. Woo! It's one of the hundreds of tournaments that take place here. Check out this place. The food was delicious, and they stock 130 different beers from around the world. Just look at Ken's reaction.
And it's just as good as I remember. Meatloaf. Just a short drive and you're at Dead Man's Junction, a well-preserved ghost town. All the artifacts here are authentic, and the land it sits on has been used in many movies, including Firewall, 2012, and Power Rangers. This place is worth a stop. You could easily spend an hour here.
Alyssa, what do you think of Kamloops so far?
Well, it's nice, except it's pretty dreary.
I hear the weather's better in Kelowna.
Ooh, okay, let's go there.
We're heading into the Okanagan Valley, which is known for its sunny climate, which produces hundreds of wine and fruit orchards. While wineries are the biggest draw to the area, it's not our thing. We enjoyed the views from the nearby mountain and just exploring. There really is a Arizona vibe here. Hope no one's upset that I said that. Kelowna is the largest city here at 153,000. We're going to really enjoy exploring this place. Kelowna and the Okanagan Valley are nestled between two different mountain ranges. The Rocky Mountains to the east, which started forming 300 million years ago, and the largest mountain system in North America, stretching from the Yukon to New Mexico. We're heading to the Cascade Mountains, best known for its tall volcanic mountains. It's much smaller and younger than the Rockies, being about 45 million years old, and running from British Columbia to Northern California. While the Rockies were formed by tectonic activity, the Cascades were built slowly by volcanic activity. In fact, this area is part of the Ring of Fire. Let's check it out, and you can tell us which one you like more.
It's a beautiful sun on my face, feeling okay. Don't let it get away. It's a beautiful day. know it's peace of mind. The words of my mother speak the truth. She always said, son, you'll make it good.
Vancouver's population is 2.4 million, making it the largest city in British Columbia and the third largest city in Canada. Vancouver is beautiful. It is consistently ranked in the top 10 cleanest and most livable cities in the world. But with that, it's one of Canada's most expensive cities to live in. Today, we're heading to Vancouver Island to visit the provincial capital, Victoria, a city of 92,000. Let's go uncover its secrets. Nanaimo is going to be our home base for the next 2 days. It's the last big city we'll see for a long time. The harborfront and this marketplace was my favorite stops. Today though, we're driving Highway 4 to the Pacific Ocean. You will find this gem just outside Port Alberni. It's an easy 1 kilometer walk. Just watch for the trailhead. It's easy to miss. Minutes down the highway is Cathedral Grove. We took the time to walk this old growth forest, full of the giant Douglas fir. So after one amazing summer and well over 7,000 kilometers of driving, we finally made it to the Pacific Ocean.
And here we go, we finally made it to the Pacific Ocean from right across Canada.
Here, Han, this is something your brother gave you for when you made it.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
What do you think?
Awesome.
And with nowhere else to go, we start heading north.
What do you think of this, Alyssa? The world's second largest burl.
Why did you take me here?
That's okay, I have something better for you. The world's largest burl. Alyssa?
San Joseph's Bay was certainly the highlight of Vancouver Island. It was awesome. But prepare for a difficult drive and an all-day adventure. We're going to circle back to Port Hardy and catch the ferry to Prince Rupert. Our next adventure will take us to northern BC and the Yukon. See you there.